Greetings, good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with the daily analysis of the Euro-USD currency pair on April 1st. Yesterday, we saw that the monthly candle for this pair closed with a 1.85% drop at around 1.1552. We saw that last month, the price dropped to the 1.1413 range, and after the dollar...
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Weakened in this area, it bounced back up. On the daily time frame, we can see that the drop in March continued down to the daily order block range, and the price bounced back from there. Now, after the start of this week with ongoing military tensions in the Middle East, we first saw a price drop in this pair, and then, with the announcement from the head of the Islamic Republic's government about being ready to end the war, we saw oil prices fall, and the dollar weakened along with it. Following this dollar weakness, we've seen over 1% growth in price since yesterday, and now this pair is trading in the 1.1594 range. The most important support zone we can consider for this pair's price in the medium term remains the daily order block. We're currently reviewing the economic calendar. On this trading day, as you can see, we'll have some important news for the US dollar. Any of the reports released today for the US dollar could impact this pair's movement in the short term, but we must note that today's data is of secondary importance and markets are still influenced by war news, not economic data and reports. Now we're looking at the currency strength chart on a weekly basis. Here we can see that in the past week, the dollar has been by far among the strongest currencies in the market, but as you can see, since yesterday the dollar's strength has diminished, and we've simultaneously seen an increase in the euro's strength. Now here we see the currency strengths on a daily scale. With the optimism surrounding the end of the war, we've seen increased risk appetite in financial markets, and the US dollar has weakened. In this chart, we see that today the dollar is by far among the weakest currencies in the market and is in a worse position compared to the euro. Now we're examining the 4-hour time frame. Here we can see that at the start of the week we saw a continued price drop toward the 4-hour order block. Then the price reacted to this area, and along with the decrease in geopolitical tensions, this price growth occurred in the euro-dollar pair. Currently, the price is moving strongly toward its previous high, and given the candles we're seeing, we expect this upward movement to continue. We're now looking at the 1-hour time frame. Given the current conditions, we see that the upward move made by the price has been very strong, and we're seeing small corrections in this bullish move. In this regard, to enter a trading setup, we can consider that if the price, with its limited correction, reaches the 1-hour FVG and collects the liquidity in this range, we can look to enter a buy position using various strategies and target R to R ratios of 1 to 2 and 1 to 3 up to the previous high. Good luck and stay profitable.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.